Welcome to a journey of self-discovery, transformation, and the pursuit of greatness. Today, we're going to dive deep into the heart of what it means to dream big, set audacious goals, and build the discipline to achieve them. Whether you're here to fuel your ambition, find motivation for your fitness journey, or simply seek the drive to turn your dreams into reality, this is your moment. Let's start with a fundamental truth: you were born for greatness. Each one of us carries within us the seeds of extraordinary potential. But potential alone is not enough. It must be nurtured, cultivated, and driven by a clear vision and unwavering determination. It's about dreaming bigger than you've ever dreamed before and daring to pursue those dreams with everything you have. Dreaming big, the first step to greatness. Imagine a life where there are no limits to what you can achieve. Picture yourself living your dream, whatever that might be. It could be building a successful business, achieving peak physical fitness, or creating a legacy that inspires others. This is where your journey begins, with a vision that pulls you forward, a dream so compelling that it becomes your driving force. But dreaming big is not just about having fantasies. It's about setting goals that align with your deepest desires and creating a plan to bring those dreams to life. Big dreams require bold actions. They demand that you step out of your comfort zone and push beyond what you thought possible. The power of goals, turning dreams into reality. Goals are the stepping stones that bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Setting goals gives your dreams structure and direction. But not just any goals: smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that keep you on track and moving forward. When you set a goal, you're making a commitment to yourself. You're saying, "This is what I want, and I'm willing to work for it." But remember, the road to success is rarely a straight line. There will be obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. It's in these moments that your commitment is tested. Will you give up, or will you dig deeper, find new strength, and keep moving forward? The role of discipline, the secret to consistent progress. Discipline is the backbone of success. It's what separates those who achieve their dreams from those who merely wish for them. Discipline is waking up early to hit the gym when you'd rather stay in bed. It's choosing to work on your goals even when you don't feel like it. It's about making sacrifices today for the rewards you'll reap tomorrow. In the gym, discipline is the key to progress. It's not just about lifting weights or running miles, it's about consistency, dedication, and pushing through the pain to reach new levels of strength and endurance. The same principles apply to every area of life. Whether you're building a career, nurturing relationships, or striving for personal growth, discipline is your best friend. The gym, a metaphor for life. The gym is more than just a place to build muscle, it's a training ground for life. Every rep, every set, and every drop of sweat is a testament to your commitment to self-improvement. The gym teaches you resilience, patience, and the power of persistence. It shows you that progress is made one step at a time, and that consistency is more important than intensity. But the lessons from the gym don't stay there. They carry over into every aspect of your life. The discipline you build in your workouts translates into the discipline needed to achieve your goals. The strength you gain in the gym fuels the strength you need to overcome challenges. And the confidence you develop by transforming your body empowers you to transform your life. Overcoming challenges, the path to mastery. Let's be real, achieving your goals won't be easy. The path to greatness is paved with obstacles. There will be days when you feel like giving up, when the odds seem insurmountable, and when your progress feels too slow. But it's in these moments that you must remember why you started. Keep your vision in front of you, and let it be your guiding star. Challenges are not roadblocks, they are opportunities to grow stronger. Every challenge you overcome is a victory that builds your resilience. It's a chance to prove to yourself that you have what it takes to succeed. And with each victory, no matter how small, you move closer to your ultimate goal. The mindset of success: believe in yourself. Success is not just about hard work, it's about the mindset you bring to the table. It's about believing in yourself, even when others doubt you. It's about having the courage to take risks, the humility to learn from failure, and the perseverance to keep going when things get tough. Your mind is your most powerful tool. It can either be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. Cultivate a mindset of positivity, resilience, and unwavering self-belief. Surround yourself with people who support your goals and inspire you to be your best. And most importantly, never stop believing that you are capable of achieving greatness. The journey, enjoying the process. Finally, remember that success is a journey, not a destination. It's not just about reaching your goals but about who you become in the process. Enjoy every step of the way. Celebrate your victories, learn from your setbacks, and keep growing. Life is too short to be spent worrying about the future or regretting the past. Focus on the present moment, give it your all, and trust that your efforts will pay off. Conclusion: your time is now. Now is the time to take action. Now is the time to start living the life you've always dreamed of. Don't wait for the perfect moment, create it. Don't let fear hold you back, face it head on. You have everything you need within you to achieve your goals and live a life of purpose, passion, and fulfillment. So go out there and make it happen. Dream big, work hard, and never give up. The world is waiting for your greatness. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. Break free, push forward, and conquer your dreams. You've got this.